There ain't enough room to bottle it up and put the lid on tight. People say I'm crazy and I self-destruct in September when the sun comes up. And I'm high enough and I'm strung out on a bull. Somewhere deep in the mountains, Jack. It's where I think about this pain that I love. I can smoke this thing just like a drug. I'm addicted to big racks and bloody backs. I don't get much sleep when I close my eyes. Nothing but sixes with big G5s. And main beams are long and mean and pitch stained black. Nothing better.